UK-made honest review work before using. UK-made is an online pharmacy in the UK that provides prescription and over-the-counter medication through an online consultation system. It offers next-day delivery for most orders. And here are the key features about this website. They have online consultation with licensed prescriber. They also have fast delivery option, including next-day delivery with wide range of medication available and secure with confidential ordering process. And here are the pros of this website. It is easy to use website for ordering medication. Many customers report fast and reliable delivery, and also online prescription services eliminate the need for in-person visits with competitive price compared to traditional pharmacies. And here the count. Some customers report delivery delay, especially with next day services, and also customer support responsive can be inconsistent, and refund for failed deliveries may be difficult to obtain. And here's the benefit about this website, which is the UK-made. UK-made is a convenient and reliable online pharmacy for many, offering an easy way to get medication delivery quickly. However, there are some reported issues with delivery delay and customer services. So if you need urgent medication, it might be best to confirm delivery time before ordering.